Now, this is what we call a self-inverse function, and there's some properties to it, okay? But later we'll talk about it. Gx is defined by 3 over x. Then after that, you are told to find g square x in similar form. G square x just means that g square x is just ggx lah. Okay? Then basically this, right, will just be g 3 over x like that lah. Then you just do again. This is 3 over x, and you get back x. Okay? There you go. Then basically g square x, is given by x, and that will be x bigger than 0. Because the domain of gg is the domain of g. Okay. Similar form. Okay, similar form. This part here, if you have gx equals to x. Okay, what to do? So just hear me out very carefully. Now, you can g inverse both sides, just like in secondary school. When you have sine x equals to y, you sine inverse both sides, right? Sine will disappear. Okay? So in other words, right, this case here, you essentially, you will get this lah. This is what we call self-inverse function. If I g inverse both sides, it will be gx equals to g inverse x. Okay? So, this is it. This is important. When you see this means it's self-inverse. Means you move forward is the same function. Move backward is the same function. They are the same. Okay? These two are the same. So, you have a very interesting thing that you can do. You know that if these two are the same, right? G square x equals to x, which is what we have just now lah. Then you g again, right? You g again, you'll be g cube x equals to gx, right? Am I right? So then you g to the power of 4. You g again, you get g square x equals to g4x equals to g square x, which happens to be, this can be simplified to x again. So this one here, simplified to x again. Then you g again, g5x equals to, then you g this side, gx. Then g6x equals to g square x. Then it happens to be x again. Okay? So what I'm doing here is I just g both sides. G both sides get this one. G both sides get this one also. Then g both sides I get this one. So when I g both sides I get this one already. This g square x equals to x. So this x can be when I g both sides the fifth time, I g this and I g this. Okay? Then I g6, it will be g square x. Then g square x will be x again. So you see that it alternates from x, gx, x, gx, x. You just keep alternating. Okay? This is a very interesting case for a self-inverse function. So what can we deduce? We can deduce that g odd x equals to gx, g even x equals to x. Okay? So hence, g35 is odd, right? X is 3 over x.